Hey everyone, my name's Heathrow. I'm a handyman and a carpenter. Today I'm working on this shed slash studio. Gonna be updating these doors from these plywood barn style doors to some newer French doors. Let's get started and let's take these old doors off. Now that I got those doors removed, I can start prepping the rough opening for this door installation. This door is 72 by 80. 72 inches wide by 80 tall. So I need to double check and make sure my opening is that measurement, because these were kind of custom doors before, so it might be a little different. I'll check it out here and figure out what this opening is. First thing I'm gonna do is install some flashing tape at the bottom of the door here. This is where it's most likely to get wet. So really want to protect this area and make sure that it doesn't rot over time. And I'm going to put down a bead of caulk here to keep it all nice and sealed, and then the door is ready to be put in place. Here's a tip when installing screws. Doors will have this weather stripping here, and it's a good idea to always hide your screws behind the weather stripping. That way you don't see it and it looks nice. That about does it for this video on how I install French doors. I think it turned out pretty well. It looks nice, swings well, and is square and plumb. And that's the most important thing when you're installing doors. Make sure it's square and plumb, and it should swing and close really nicely. So still need to do some trim on this door, but that will be for another video. And other than that, thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.